Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2017 Honda Civic SE. Now of course this is a 1 litre petrol. You do get your LED daytime running lights. You get these brilliant diamond cut 16-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get. Around to the rear now, you also get rear parking sensors, which you can see just in the bumper there. And into the tailgate we have plenty of room, including 60/40 split folding rear seats, which will fold flat with that level just there. Then coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy here. In the back of the car we've got full cloth black interior with ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom, electric windows all around. Into the front we've also got your CVT gearbox in the middle, electric handbrake with brake hold, climate control in the front as well. Then on your infotainment display you get Bluetooth hands-free, which you can see in the top left, Bluetooth audio, USB, you get FM, DAB, low wave, medium wave. Over to the steering wheel now, you've got your volume control, onboard computer information, your Bluetooth hands-free, and then the arrows here work between the infotainment display and the onboard computer. Over to the right, you've got your lane keep assist, distance control, and your adaptive cruise control settings. You've got automatic headlights, and then as you can see, this Civic has done 56,653 miles. It has also had the wet belt done, so that is one less thing to worry about if you do purchase this vehicle. Showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Honda Civic, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.